Today we are going to discuss electromagnet. An electromagnet is a kind of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. As we have already seen in previous class that an electric current produces magnetic field, and we use this concept to make an electromagnet. Okay. Now watch the following video in which you will see how the electromagnet is made and how does it work. Okay, so first watch this video. This is a very simple electromagnet. I have used a nail, an insulated copper wire and a power supply, okay, to make this electromagnet. I have wrapped the copper wire over the nail and connect the two terminals of the wire across the power supply. You can also use a cell or a battery to power up the electromagnet. Okay. Now when the power button is off, as you can see, the power button is off, no current is flowing through the wires. Okay. And the nail is not attracting the iron pins, as you can see. Okay, there is no attraction between the nail and iron pins, but when we switch on the power supply, okay, the current will flow through the wire and the nail start attracting, okay, the iron pins. Okay, as you can see, the nail strongly attract the iron pin. Okay. Now the question is, what is the reason behind this magnetic behavior of the nail? The answer is, since we know that a current carrying loop produces a magnetic field, which we have discussed in previous class, here I have wrapped the copper wire over the nail, okay, due to which a number of small loops are formed, okay, and each loop produces magnetic field when current flows through the wire, okay, and these magnetic fields magnetize the nail. That's why the magnetized nail attracts the iron pins. And when we switch off the current, the magnetic field vanish and the magnetic behavior of the nail disappears. So this is the electromagnet and we saw how it works. Okay. So in the video we have seen that the iron nail gets magnetized when current is flowing through the loops, okay, over the nail. Now consider the single loop. Okay, the single loop has current like so. As seen from this side, the current is flowing clockwise direction, and the magnetic field at the center is nearly like this, okay, and the direction of magnetic field is given by right hand thumb rule, okay, which is given as when you curl your finger in the direction of current, okay, the direction is clockwise as seen from here. So when you curl your finger in clockwise direction, in the direction of current, then the thumb will give you the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so this is the direction of magnetic field B. Now here there are number of loops, okay, and each loop carry current in the same direction from here to here. Okay, so this is the direction of current in each loop. Okay, now the direction of magnetic field for each loop will be same, okay, in the forward direction. So this loop produces magnetic field in this direction because from the right hand rule, okay, the current is like so. So you have to turn or curl your finger in the direction of current to give the direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field is in forward direction for each loop. Okay, and these magnetic field produced by each loop support each other and produces a resultant magnetic field. Okay, and resultant magnetic field will be like so, will be a straight line. Okay, okay. So this type of magnetic field is produced by these loops. Okay, and you can easily see that these magnetic field lines are parallel to each other and equidistant. So this type of magnetic field is known as uniform magnetic field. Okay, so electromagnet produces uniform magnetic field. Okay, since these loops are very small, okay, so the magnetic field produced by each loop support each other and produces a uniform magnetic field. Okay, because these magnetic field lines are parallel and equidistant. Okay, so there is a uniform magnetic field confined in the loop. Okay, and there is a iron bar or iron nail, okay, over which these loops are wrapped. So the iron nail get magnetized by this magnetic field. Okay, and this end of the iron nail becomes north pole and this end becomes south pole. Okay, because as you know that from the north pole the magnetic field lines are emerging. Okay, and at the south pole the magnetic field lines are entering. Okay, so here the magnetic field lines are entering and at this point the magnetic field lines are emerging. So this end of the iron nail becomes north and this end becomes south. That's why the iron nail, magnetized iron nail, attracts the iron pins. Okay, when the current goes off, okay, then the magnetic field produced by each loop vanishes. Okay, and the iron nail becomes demagnetized. Okay, it becomes a simple iron nail. Okay, so the iron nail becomes magnet when the current is flowing through the loops. Okay, so the magnetization of the iron nail is temporary. Okay, it depends on the current. So this is how the electromagnet is made.